All right, welcome back. Welcome back. All right, so today I want to share 5 tips. 5 tips on how to flip pre-foreclosures, how to market to pre-foreclosures and flip them for profit using digital marketing. Now, in recent times, obviously, my latest book is digital marketing certified. You can get this anywhere. Okay, you can get this. It's a very beautiful book. I took my time, I poured my heart and soul. The last 12 years, 18 years of marketing, but 12 years of consistently every day. There's no one single day that I don't have some kind of digital marketing activity going on in the past 12 years, okay? But marketing in general, 18 years, okay? So I've poured a lot into this book for you, and I want to share some tips with you from this book on how you can use it to find pre-foreclosures, people that are ready to sell, motivated sellers from pre-foreclosure lists, and grab some of those properties, put them under contract, and flip them for quick profit. The tips I'm going to share with you also is applicable in any type of business, okay? So, and also I'm going to try to put a link in the bottom if you want to book a free strategy session with me, okay? I'm going to make that available. Obviously, you want to make sure you secure the spot as soon as possible, because I want to keep that up for life. And if you know my history, I haven't done that forever ever. I've done it before, but I usually have to shut it down too early for 2 reasons. Number one is maybe I get busy, got too busy, or number 2, when people don't pay, they don't pay attention. Maybe that's not you. Maybe you just need to talk to me to make the right next move, but a strategy session nonetheless, okay? So today we're talking about pre-foreclosures a little bit. I'll keep bringing to you. I won't do any fancy thumbnail or anything like that because I have too many other stuff going on. So I'll just upload the video and then put a title, and then hopefully you find it, okay? And then if you really want to help, which hopefully you find enough value to be willing to help, just help me share the videos, okay? So today I want to share with you 5 tips, okay? 5 tips to digital marketing for flipping pre-foreclosures for profit. What is pre-foreclosures? Pre-foreclosures is essentially houses that have been listed on a public record. It's called a list pending around the United States. Basically, is a list of houses belonging to people that haven't made payment on their mortgages in recent times, okay? Usually around about 3 months late, they file this paperwork. It's called the lease pending. It's a pending lawsuit. I think it's some kind of French, Greek, or something like that for pending lawsuit. But basically, they're trying to collect their money. It's collection activity. And some of these people can't afford to keep onto these properties, and they make up a list, right? So they get on a list. Now, the original way, which is still a good way, is to pull up this list, and you can pull that list up by going to empirebigdata.com, empirebigdata.com. You'll be able to access a list of pre-foreclosures from there. But I wanted to share some 5 tips with you on how to use digital marketing to take advantage of digital marketing, which is the easiest way to create an outreach campaign to grab some of these deals, okay? It's also the easiest ways to be consistent because you can see data, you can analyze data and pivot and, double down on what's working, kill what's not working, and basically you can optimize your campaign a lot more easier, a lot more cheaper, okay? So we do have a course somewhere there on how to use Facebook marketing to grab this stuff. You can check that out at olatalks.com/access. You might see that somewhere on the screen, okay? All right, the first tip I want to share with you is to build a strong online presence, okay? You obviously have to be able to relate to what we're talking about, the online platforms, digital platforms, in order to be able to comprehend properly the strategies we're talking about, okay? But more importantly, you want to create a professional website where people can land on, okay? And, you can showcase some of the deals you might have done in the past if you haven't done anyone in the past, okay? So that's when this will be applicable for you. And then you can optimize the website for search engines, okay? And then people can find you and say, hey, I have a house in pre-foreclosure, can I sell? So you might have seen some of this website out there called We Buy Houses, webuyhouses.com, sthomebuyers.com is our own website. Basically, you can optimize this online presence. People go there and they fill out the form, and you can reach out to them almost instantly to buy from you. Okay. All right. Number two, you want to definitely utilize search engine optimization to optimize your platforms online. Okay. Effective SEO is still very useful. It's one of my expertise. It's called search engine optimization. A few bells and whistles things you need to do to your website to increase the chances that it will rank at the top when people search certain phrases on the internet. Okay, and that's what we're talking about. Okay, so you do want to do some kind of keyword research. That's something we cover extensively in the book as well. And if you need my personal help, again, I'll put a link if you want to book a session with me for a strategy session on how you can take advantage of these strategies. Okay, all right. So you want to get your website ranking on top of these search engines like Google, Bing, Ask.com. Yeah, these are the places that people go to when they are searching for solutions, right? So what is the solution you offer? You help people get rid of a piece of property that is no longer serving them. Okay, a piece of property that doesn't serve them, you help them get rid of it, right? So they need a place where they can go, they can sell my house fast, right? Sell the pre-foreclosure, or they might say save my house from pre-foreclosure. You need to do some kind of keyword market research to see what people are searching for. And and if you want an example of that, if you go to any kind of search engine, for example Google, and you start searching for, let's say, we buy houses, sell my house fast, you will see it's auto completing what you're about to say. Those are keyword phrases. You will see a list of them. Those are keyword phrases that people are searching for on the internet, and you can literally list those down and optimize your website for them. Okay, there's a whole strategy behind that. Obviously, number three, okay, like let's do a quick recap. You want to build an online presence. Okay, it's a small website that says all I buy houses, Joe buy houses, David buy houses, day to day buy houses. Shout out to day to day, right? You need a strong online presence, Facebook page, a Twitter page. You need to build those things together. Then you need to utilize search engine optimization to optimize the website and all your different online properties. Okay. All right. Number three, content marketing. Now, once you do a research and you come up with certain keywords that people are searching for, you want to build content around this keyword, and that's, this is how you demonstrate to the search engines, the online gods, that you are the person with the solution, right? And you create content around that. There's a way to structure that. You can build a whole blog around helping people get out of pre-foreclosure. Okay, you can also do video blogs. Okay, you can do that right here on YouTube, right? So those are some of the things that you want to take advantage of content marketing. So you want to share this content on your website, you want to share it on social media platforms, and any other relevant online communities. Number four, email marketing. You do want to capture leads. As soon as people come to your website, you want to capture leads in exchange for something valuable. It might be a PDF, it might be a report, it might be what's trending with pre-foreclosures, something, or 7 ways to get rid of, to catch up with payments, 7 ways to avoid foreclosures. You can come up with something like that, and when people want it, they will give you their email address, and then you give it to them, give them value in exchange for their contact information. Now you're generating leads, but also you're able to set up an email marketing campaign to continue to remind them that you're there to help them. Okay, the fifth tip I want to give you today is called the paid advertising. You can actually use paid advertising to set up outreach campaigns online, on Instagram, on Facebook, on Google, on YouTube. You can target specific demographics, you can target specific locations, you can target specific interests that you kind of like done your research, and you figure like, people that will be interested in this will be interested in this. If somebody is reaching out to pay their loans, there's a good chance that's a good tip right there. Pay their loans, there's a good chance they are backed up on their mortgage payments. Maybe they might have a house to sell. You can reach out to some of these people. And then also the algorithms of this online platform are so good these days that they will actually go out there and find you more people, like the people that are responding to your ads. So those are the 5 tips that I wanted to share with you right there. Remember to track the performances, okay? Because that's the whole point of digital marketing campaigns, okay? It allows you to analyze the data. You can basically look at the numbers. How much web traffic are you getting? The click-through rate. You can see how many people are actually responding based off of how many people actually see your ads. Those are the beauty with digital marketing. Again, everything I share with you here today is applicable to every business. If you need help, personally, I am offering in the description below, I am offering a free strategy session. Okay, and then we'll talk about what your goals are and help you, maybe narrow down to what you need to be taking advantage of. And keep in mind that if you want my services, obviously that's gonna cost you something. Okay, so make sure you have some kind of budget in terms of marketing before you fill out the form. All right, that's all I have for you on this video. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you have specific questions or you have any issues, put them in the comment below. I would love to engage you personally, okay, so I can help you more with your endeavors when it comes to business. So again, digital marketing, pre-foreclosures, real estate, relationships, that's my arena these days. I will continue to share some of these tips with you. And if you like what you've heard today, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. I will see you on the next one. Peace.